Our lesson today is Module 5, Lesson 3. Today you will add multiples of 100 and subtens within 1,000. The word multiples again means groups of 100. That means today we're going to be adding groups of 100. We're also going to be adding tens, groups of 10. And within 1,000 means that the answer will be less than 1,000. For our first example, you see 260 plus 200, which looks very similar to what we've done for the last 2 days. We are adding numbers that have zeros in the tens and ones place, and we are still using arrow way. So for every 100 that we are adding, we're going to draw an arrow. So 200 has 2 tens, and that is why I drew 2 arrows with plus 100, because 100 plus 100 is 200. So the top example looks very similar to what we did the last 2 days. When we slide down to the second example, we have a number. We're adding now numbers that have a 0 in the ones place, but actually have a tens place now. So we're adding 260 plus 240. I'm going to draw 240 using arrow method. And 240 has 2 hundreds, so I'm drawing 2 arrows showing plus 100, which is 200. And 240 has 4 tens, so I'm going to draw 4 arrows that show plus 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And like I said before, I would not have these answers in between at the beginning. I would just have the kids draw the arrows and leave spaces in between for the answers. That's how we do it in the classroom. And then once they have all the arrows done, to make sure that their answer is accurate, they put in the answers at the end. So if I count on from 260 and I add 240, I land on 500. And I did one more example to show you. So the last example is 260 plus 250. And 250 has 2 hundreds, so I drew 2 arrows with 100. And it has 5 tens, so I drew 5 arrows with plus 10 on top of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I wouldn't have any of these numbers here. And I would have the kids count on to find the answer. Again, we're using arrow way today. I want to see the work done this way.